Hey people, so considering we lost Irfan Khan, the most talented actor in Indian cinema today, we lost him today. So I just felt, certain movies of Irfan Khan which I had seen and not done a review of, I felt I should do it just now. So there was this the 2013 film, The Lunchbox, starring Irfan Khan and Nimrat Kaur and Nawazuddin Siddiqui. But really, and it was directed by Ritesh Badra, with Anurag Kashyap being, in the part of the, producers. This movie grossed over 100 crore, and I truly feel, yeah, that those 100 crores, it's like 99 crores belongs to, I mean, the movie is what it is because of Irfan Khan, so it's, my god, you can, it's, there are certain landmark films that you should watch for for its different storyline and for the very unique concept of things. This would be one of it. So it's called The Lunchbox and it stars Irfan Khan. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.